So this is the noise I've been hearing. Hopefully you can hear it when I come to a stop right here. Stop sign. I'm gonna press the brake. You see it? Hear that? I have no idea what that is. I'm approaching another stop sign. This only started happening after I got the front rotors replaced. I'm not sure if it's related or not, but I wasn't having this sound before. I have no idea what's happening. So hopefully you can hear that through this video. And yeah, I'm just gonna park and see if I can hear noise again when I press the brakes. Yeah, a little bit there, you can hear it. Well, I'm gonna put it in park, and I'm just gonna put my foot on the brake.